everyone, it's Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to be making pepperoni roses. There's, let's see, 4 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ingredients. And the pastry, I let it thaw for 40 minutes. I set it out. And then I just cut them in 2. I take the pepperoni and just start doing this. Just basically lining them up. You can put a little onion on them if you want to. A little bit of cheese. I've got mozzarella here. You know the cheeses. Put a little bit of sriracha down in it if you want to. Just anything like that. And I fold this in a little bit so it'll fold up a little better for the bottom. Okay. Now here we go. That's how hard it's going to be. You don't have to make them real tight because the pastries puff up. I sort of help pinch them together right there. You don't have to, but it helps sometimes. Put them down in their little... Oh, I should spray these. Okay. And down in the middle of their little space. I've got the oven on 350. And now, more pepperoni. There's your pepperoni. And we'll stick them in the oven. Well, our roses are out. They look a little like fallen roses. See? Well, the crust is good anyway. My son-in-law just brought in some pizza sauce to dip them in. See how they got on the bottom? Well, that looks good. Try it. It's one of my, let's try it and see. I think mine should have been standing up a little bit better, but they're still pretty. Well, I'll see you. Enjoy the pepperoni roses. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy, and I'll see you soon.